Hi, this is Amna Al-Haboubi. Today we have a very unique home for sale in Cumberland, sitting on half an acre, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a lot of luxury features, and it's only 20 minutes from downtown Ottawa. Let me show you in. Come on in. Here we have the great room with a lot of natural light. And here we have the spacious kitchen with a touch of luxury and unique features. We have 2 sinks and double oven. You'll be surprised with the features in this bathroom. We have a beautiful fireplace, 2 sinks, and a walk-in closet. And we have the high ceiling basement.